So as you can see, I have the dinner set up. Well, the plates and all set up. So I have the butter for and the two things for the corner of the cob. That's what, I don't know if that's what it's called. Two Fantits, salt and pepper out. And I'm going to light a candle now. This is the barbecue smoky ribs. So you just put this on for the last 5 minutes of it while it's cooking. That's the baby boilers there. I'm going to do some pepper sauce, and then this is done now, and then I'm going to pop on the steak. So that's the steak going on now. So we're going to see what this is like. Oh, look at that. Now, and it's finished. Look at that. Hi everyone, so this is the finished look. I done well. I actually done too much. I actually done sweet potato fries as well. Which is too much. So we've done some pepper sauce as well. Now I'm gonna split the potatoes, put a bit of butter in them. Now taste the steak. I stress out doing dinner sometimes. I've massive. They're the ribs. They're massive. I think I overcooked them. Pepper sauce unreal. But yeah, that's for tonight's dinner.